We're going to try and solve this fractional exponent problem. So if you have something being raised to an exponent, you want to get that thing by itself in the equation. Is it already by itself? Yes, it is. This whole thing is being raised to the 7/6, not just the x. So you would not start by subtracting 6. You're actually not allowed to. It's stuck in there. So the thing being raised to the exponent is already by itself. Step 2 is to raise both sides to the reciprocal power. So I will now raise this to the 6/7 and this to the 6/7. So now, on the left-hand side, what do I get out? Just x plus 6. On the right, oh, we're not going to have two answers. Because we have odd, now it's, when we do reciprocal, we'll have odd even. So we won't. So we want the 7th root of 128. It's not on your chart.
It's 2.
It is 2. Oh, you can always do it on your calculators. Remember, if you want this, so if you want the 7th root, most of your calculators, if you look on them, oh yeah, your graphing calculators have it hidden. Hold on, I'll show you on each one. So on the scientific calculator, they have a button right here. See that one right there? There's a little X where the index is, and then a square root. So if you need to take some other root, that's the button you would use. See, it's different than the square root button. They have the square root, and then this is for a different root. So if you're using a scientific calculator like this one, and you want to take this, what was it, 7th root, you would do 7, and then that button. And then, what was the number, 128? Is that right? So, oh. Hold on. Oh, I put a parenthesis when that didn't have one on the other end. Okay, there we go. So I didn't need that parenthesis there. So 7th root of 128 is 2. On a graphing calculator, they don't have that button. They only have the square root button. Okay? So what does that mean? That means they have it just hiding. I think it's under the math button. Yeah. So when I hit math, take a look at these options. They have a cube root, and then this is the one for some other root. So I wanted 7th root, so I have to hit 7 and then that button. So that's choice 5. So that's how I get it on this, and then 128. And that gets me the 2. So if you have a graphing calculator at your disposal, it's just hidden. So if you're taking like the SATs or something and you need to know where it is, remember my words. It's hiding there under math. Scientific is a little bit easier because there's an actual button for it. But anywho, now we know that it's a 2. And then I take 2 and I raise it to the 6th power. And any of these can do that very easily with the caret key. You get a 64. But I'm not done yet. I got to subtract 6. Is that all right? What else?